So you know that your organization is spending too much of your IT budget maintaining outdated and unsupported applications. But you may not be doing anything about it because you want to know two things. How much does it cost? And how long does it take? The cost of an application decommissioning project depends upon its scope, and the scope determines the implementation timeline. So your next question might be, how do you determine the project scope? First, you need to know your source applications. That is, how many applications do you have? And what are the application types? Are they commercial, off-the-shelf applications, customized commercial software, or custom in-house developed systems? Second, you need to consider the source system for each application. This means knowing the operating system platform, the data type and size, the export capabilities of the application, and if there are any unstructured data types. Once you've identified this information, you then need to review your source data models. This includes the number of databases and the number of schemas in each database. It also includes the number of tables in the data analysis approach. Next, you need to identify your archive search and reporting requirements. You'll want to identify the number of search forms, the number of fields, and any special display requirements. Then you need to determine archive integration and retention requirements. Does the system require single sign-on and context-sensitive integration? Do you authenticate and manage users and groups with Active Directory LDAP? And you'll also need to identify your retention requirements in order to align with your organization's retention policies. By understanding the scope of your application decommissioning needs, you can begin to develop cost projections and an implementation timeline. Flatirons has a successful record assisting clients in navigating application decommissioning. How can we help you? Contact us today.